Hey darlings, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariel Darling and I'm coming at you with my first ever Chef Darling cooking video. This was highly requested, and on my Instagram we did a little poll on my stories. You guys said you wanted to see me cooking the famous Tik Tok feta pasta, so let's get into it. First step is to add your tomatoes into your pan. We're gonna spread those out. I have a little bit of a smaller pan than I actually should. We're gonna make a cute little nest area for where the feta is going to go. We're going to spritz the tomatoes with my handy dandy olive oil gun. This is just some extra virgin olive oil. This is really easy for coating them evenly. We're going to shove our nice little chunk of feta right in the middle. Don't be scared to get your hands dirty. I have a good amount of garlic cloves because I do love garlic. It is definitely one of the best flavors. And this is not added in the Tik Tok version, but I'm going to add some Kalamata olives because I think Kalamata olives and feta are the best combination on this planet. Now it's time for our seasonings. So I'm going to be adding some oregano leaves. Just sprinkle that on there generously. I don't love oregano, so I'm not gonna do too much. Some crushed red pepper, or hot dots, as I like to call them. Some garlic powder. Can never have too much garlic. You can, but whatever. A little onion powder as well. So I'm just gonna lightly kind of toss some of this so all of these get coated with all of that seasoning. So each tomato has its own little flavor and little entity. I'm gonna go and spritz the feta as well with some of that olive oil. And I'm gonna take a little salt. This is pink Himalayan, and I'm just gonna sprinkle that on there. I added the Kalamata olives because it is gonna add a little bit of salt to it, a little natural salt, without actually adding in granulated salt. And then I'm gonna just do a couple little basil leaves, but I'm gonna finish it off with more basil. So I'm just gonna do a couple right now to cook with this beauty. We're gonna pop this baby in for 35 minutes. Hey Alexa, set a timer for 35 minutes. All right, it is pasta time. I have my water boiling. Most important step is make it taste like the ocean. It's my little motto that I like to say. So these are gemellis, and a fun little fact about these cute little pastas is that that word actually means twins in Italian, because as you see, they're little spirals twinning together. So in order to have your pasta perfectly al dente, you're gonna cook this for about 8 minutes. All right, we're going to take it out now. We're going to be adding in our pasta now. I am going to just kind of coat everything together. Grab as much feta, as much tomato as you want. But I'm gonna make sure that those tomatoes are fully exploded into this pasta so we create a really good, nice, light sauce. All right, everyone, here it is, our feta and tomato Tik Tok pasta. This was so easy to make and it came out really delicious. I hope that you try this recipe and let me know how it goes. If Italy and Greece had a baby, it would be this pasta, or like a twin, a gemelli. It's actually really good. And that's a whole piece of garlic.